Okay, good evening, good afternoon, maybe good morning if you're overseas. Dan here, stockmarketmentor.com. I want to look at TJX, and here's why. Company reported earnings, and you can see what's happened with the stock. It's printed a really nice gap, and it looks like this may be a really good kind of breakaway. It wouldn't really be a breakaway gap. It'd be more like a continuation since the stock's already moved. But hey, that's just nomenclature. But I want to look at the weekly chart here. You can see this also looks pretty good, and it kind of favors it favors an ongoing uptrend, shall we say. Other stocks in this sector, Walmart doing really well. Target, not so much. They suck. But really what I'm looking at here is TJX. So why is this relevant right now? Is this a buy? I would say no. Institutional buying's been rampant today, over twice average volume, but it's not what you buy that matters. It's where you buy it from. And right now, at this point, the stock's up too much. It's up 4.3%. And you could make a case, well, it's not up that much. I've bought stocks that are up that much, and they keeps going. That's fine. But the question is, if you're buying the stock right here, do you expect it to go up, or might it actually come back down and kind of fill this gap a little bit? In my view, the way the market is trading with this, with these indexes faltering below. Now, the Dow is still above, but it's also drifting lower. You look at the NASDAQ, nope. Mid caps, nope. IWM, nope. And so what gives you the idea that this breakout in TJX is just going to keep going? I don't think it will. I think it's actually going to wind up coming back a little bit. So, and my analysis here isn't just specific to TJX, though if I owned it, I would be selling it. I don't, so I'm not. But it's not just specific to this. It's really kind of a comment on where we are in the market right now. I think when you get stocks that move up like this and you're in them, I think it's a really good time to be reducing your position, certainly not adding to them. You don't want to add to a position unless it's doing really well and you know what the heck you're doing. I think it's just really risky to do that at this point. And maybe I'm boring, maybe I'm a wussy, but I'm just kind of more in account protection mode right now, waiting for the next train to jump on as opposed to jump in front of. So anyway, that's all I got for you. Also, if you have not signed up for Scott McGregor's crypto class, which is next Wednesday, you're totally missing the boat. We've actually had to expand the Zoom room. We had to bump up our room size well beyond what we typically get in our regular weekly sessions. So it's going to be crowded. I'm not going to insult your intelligence and say seats are limited. They're not. If you look at your seat wherever you're sitting, that's your seat, baby. You got it. But I need you to be there. All right. So look in your email. If you're getting this, I'm sure you've been getting emails about it. You can go on our homepage and you'll see something there. But the upshot is this: I want to see you there. Okay? I'll see you next time.